Hi, this is MeatNBone, and today we're making Midwestern lamb meatballs.
At MeatNBone, we take immense pride in offering you the finest American lamb. What sets American lamb apart? It all starts with how it's raised, much like beef. And the result is a lamb that's prized for its incredible taste and tenderness. Picture a mild, buttery flavor that's simply exceptional. And not to mention, the average American lamb is larger than its imported counterparts. American lamb is raised with utmost care, focusing on the well-being of the animals, thriving communities, and the economic vitality of over 800,000 American farmers and ranchers, ensuring a prosperous future for generations to come.
These animals graze on natural pastures, feasting on high-quality grasses and forage, all without hormones. Choosing American lamb means embracing a fresh, flavorful experience, backed by a robust infrastructure that safeguards the well-being of its ecosystem. In this video, we'll guide you through the art of crafting lamb into mouth-watering meatballs or burgers, served with delectable tzatziki sauce.